It's another lady of the house kind of day, and today we are going to talk all about house dresses. If you have been with me for any length of time, you know how much I enjoy wearing dresses and adding to my collection often, yes. But I also like to cycle through things and share, and also just resell things or donate them, whatever the case may be. But one of the things that I am focusing on today is ironing some dresses that I had washed yesterday and just let air dry. I don't dry any of my clothing, so when I'm going to be putting my dresses away, I like to make sure that the majority of the wrinkles are taken out of them. I know that because my dresses do not have a lot of breathing room within my wardrobe. They won't just hang there and then I'm able to pull them out and wear them right off the rack. I will likely need to iron some of them. Now I have a mix of things. I don't just, go all natural fibers. I also have polyesters, chiffons, stuff like that as well. So I have a mix, and therefore some of my dresses do need to be ironed if they are linen, rayon, also cotton fabrics. Those all need to be ironed. So I just, taking out the majority is a good start to me. And then the good thing about that is that when I'm in a rush, I don't like to be in a rush, but if I just don't want to pull out the ironing board that day, I have more of a selection. A lot of times, if we put clothing into our closet, into our wardrobe that needs an extra step after, we will be less likely to reach for that item. So I think that it's good to iron things before you would put them away, but it still may need a touch up, and that's okay. But you are this much closer to wearing those items if you don't have a lot of hassle in what you are going to need to do to be able to wear that item. So I just wanted to have a relaxing day of ironing and putting my clothing away, putting my dresses away. It always brings me a joy because I feel as if I'm setting things straight in my life. It's organizing things. It's organizing things in my mind. It's just making everything beautiful and lovely again. I feel like I have that reset, especially the day after I do my laundry, because I can put everything away and just feel good, feel like I'm full again. I feel like everything is back to its rightful place. So if that's something that you enjoy too, please let me know that in the comments below. But there's just something about it and seeing all of the beautiful colors together. So if this is something that you are working toward, I am going to encourage you to also find dresses in like more inexpensive dresses. If you're trying to round out your wardrobe of dresses, you can easily do this. You can do this. I often like to shop the racks at Ross because I have found so many beautiful treasures there. I have found many dresses for my daughters as well, which I have 3 daughters. And aside from one of them, I have 2 that they can wear dresses from the women's section as well now. So that's exciting too, because then certain dresses that maybe I've tired of or anything like that, I can pass them down to them. And especially because it's like they're in their size now. So they are set in their size, and their dresses last them so much longer than they did in the past, when every single year it seemed I was needing to buy new clothing for them. But now I only have just one left where it's that way. Now, if you have been donning a dress a day, please let us know in the comments below how that has impacted your life, because I know that it's really made a difference in my life when I started doing, wearing a dress every single day. And it's really helped simplify just the decision fatigue that I would have when it came to pairing an outfit together. So finding just that the dress is a complete outfit makes a big difference, right? I know that that's something that so many of us can relate with. And then as far as house dresses go, I have my dresses that I feel I would only wear, say if I were to be going somewhere that would require one to be a little bit more dressed up, or that you would want to be a little bit more dressed up, whether that is a wedding, going to church service, or even out on a date. But for the most part, a lot of my dresses are so versatile that I could wear them to any of those places. A lot of people would consider me to be overdressed when it comes to just being home. I find dresses like this, like the ones that are the maxi dresses, are great for doing housework like what I am sharing with you today, which is ironing, just kind of putting around my room, you know, organizing things. That's a great time to wear a dress like that. Or when I am on the go, between picking kids up, dropping them off, or even going to the store, anything like that. I don't find that I need to change what I'm wearing between the activities that I am involved with day to day. Now, if I were to be going to the park, for instance, to be playing pickleball or something, I might choose a different dress, but I still always wear a dress when I go to the park. So that doesn't change, but just the dress in and of itself, because of my style and different things that I gravitate toward, they're still just very pretty, lovely dresses that I can wear even around my house. I love to find dresses that are functional in all different ways and that I would be comfortable wearing every day, even when I am home. So Ross has been a great place. I've also found many dresses from Poshmark, also on, where else? Top Vintage has been a place where I have found really beautiful retro style dresses that include pockets often. And other places like Virginia Dare Dress Co. also has dresses that are very lovely. They also have pockets. I also love the brand Gal Meets Glam, which I find all of those on Poshmark, and all of the ones that I have purchased, that's pretty much where they came from. Also TJ Maxx, sometimes I can find something in there. That is a lot more hit and miss than I find dresses when I go to Ross. I find that I do need to search several different Rosses though if I want to find, let's just say I don't give up the first time I go to one. Sometimes I will find dresses that I really like, but that are not in my size at Ross. So if I know that there is a particular dress that I'm interested in, I will go to several different Rosses just looking for that one, because I know that it's just going to be that way when you go there. You will see your favorite dress in one size, and maybe it's way too big for you or way too small, and yet you will be able to find that one at several different Rosses. So just map out where those Rosses are in your area, and you might be able to find what you are looking for, or even be surprised with something else. And then the other thing that I wanted to talk about was that you can also find beautiful dresses that would make perfect house dresses from Amazon. I have found several on Amazon that I really did like and that were made pretty well. I've also passed some of those on to my daughter, and she still loves them even today. So also, depending on what I'm going to be doing, will I feel a certain dress is more appropriate than others. So if I'm going to be going on vacation, for instance, I might choose more of the light and breezy dresses that will be able to pack well and I can just roll up, which I can do that with any dress really, but there are some that might have thicker ties that I would opt out of taking along with me when I'm packing. Yeah, it really depends. So having a selection of dresses is something that is so fun to curate, and I also would encourage you to really pay attention to colors and what colors just bring you joy, because that makes a really big difference when it comes to you caring for your dresses. I know that one of the things, just a little thing that I often look at and think about, is when the clothing is all in the hamper. Sometimes those colors just really look beautiful, even in my hamper. But then even when putting them in the wash and then taking them out, hanging them up on my rack to dry, I really love seeing those colors together, and I even arrange them in such a way that it will look beautiful, but also that it will make it easy for me to put away, because I have my color story pretty much in my wardrobe, the way that I put everything away. And so when I have them on the rack, I just, you know, go down that line as far as putting them away goes. But even when I'm like hanging up my nightgowns, I still try to incorporate them into all of those colors, so it's just pretty to look at. Even when I'm coming back into my room and everything is out and not put away yet, it's still something beautiful to see. Anyway, come along with me today as I just write everything about my wardrobe and get these dresses in pristine condition, so that I am looking forward to pulling them out once again when it's time to find a dress for the day.